So we completed most of the major roads. In our today's vlog, we are going to be entering some of the minor roads and streets. Guys, this is Waterworks Road, and then from Waterworks Road we'll pass through Hilltop and lots more. So just keep watching, guys. Okay, the first thing that is new in this Waterworks Road is this Chicken Republic. Welcome back again to my channel. Is your girl Helen Konko as usual, so just keep watching. This is Ebonyi State in 2022. So the road we just left here is Goni Road, that's former meat market area, and then Nsugbe. Okay, there you have a school of nursing, that's Westgate, where they sell computer, that's the one that is opposite Zenith Bank, and then this is a park. So all those popular akane, like one man business, if the company is not really registered, they can't move to opposite international markets to go and get a particular slot. So this is where they stop when they are coming from Enugu. That's where they park. So just keep watching. If you find this vlog interesting or you found something new, just drop it at the comment section. What do you also think about the quality of the video today and the ones I've been uploading? Drop it in the comment section. Let me know if there is any improvements. Okay, there's a Crunchies chicken signboard there too. There's another Crunchies at this Waterworks Road, just very close to this Udemezue junction, because this is Udemezue junction. So we are going to drive ahead and cut through Hilltop Road, then back through Low Cost. Just keep watching. We are about to enter through Hilltop Road. This is Hilltop Road, where these buses are coming from. Guys, take note of the bend that all these keke and all these cars that came out from this Hilltop Road came out from. That particular place that they came out from is supposed to be the side that somebody that is going in is supposed to be entering from, while those coming out are supposed to come out from the extreme left, not the extreme right. But I don't know why cars, buses, even a tricycle, especially tricycle and all this bike, they like coming out from that place. I don't know if it's because the bend is shorter there, I don't know. But if you're fond of doing it and you're also watching me, please, all those things can lead to accident one day. We don't pray for it. Please try to be conscious of it. So this is Hilltop Road. You can see so far the development. We are not going to enter into the Hilltop Road too much today, but we are going to cut across through Udemezue Road so that we can pass through Low Cost for you guys to see how those areas look like. from this hilltop road, we are going to be cutting towards Udemezue. Is it Udemezue extension? I don't know, but it's across Udemezue, the place that Our Lady's Hospital is. This is the road we are going to be taking. Okay, by our right hand side now, this place, the one with blue gates, is Our Lady's Hospital, and we are going to be driving straight. He's a gynecologist, I think. The name of the consultant is Dr. Brown. I heard he's doing well in terms of all these childbirth, sex prediction, and lots more. So as we are driving ahead, guys, this St. John, is this secondary school or something? That building that you're seeing there, that upstairs, is St. John Secondary School. That is the Catholic secondary school here in Ebonyi State. And as we are moving, instead of us to go straight to Udemezue, we are going to cut out through Locust so that you guys can see how that side is. And next time we can revisit Udemezue. So this is it. Okay. So this is the road we are talking about, Udemezue Road. Okay, still on Udemezue. We are going to take our right very soon. Okay, this is Udemezue. It's one of the most densely populated streets in Ebonyi State. Okay, so we are taking Locust. This is Locust. This is Professor Chukwu Street. Yes. So this Locust, majorly why it's called Locust is that it's a government allocation, but you cannot build like 2-story building, 3-story building. The highest you can accommodate there is duplex, 1-story building. You can see how the buildings here are just 1-story building highest, okay, or bungalow, but you can't build a 2-story building here. That's why it's called a Locust. Okay. So in our subsequent vlog, we'll be able to cover each of the entire place as a whole, just as a unit, one after the other, instead of just passing through each area like that. Okay, so we are leaving Professor Chukwu Street now. We are in our street right now. Okay. Guys, there is a house here, just a bungalow that is for sale, just 2-bedroom flats too. Is going for 20 million, though the man later agreed if he sees someone with 19 million, he's going to sell it. In case you're interested, just inbox me. Okay, so this is how this side is. There is a construction. They are constructing this drainage that used to cause little flood around this place. It's a World Bank project. I don't know, let me see if I captured it. Okay, I did. Okay, they are constructing the drainage around here. Okay, and it's a heavy project too. Like, if you know where they started from and they got to this place, it's not a small project. So around here we have CSMT, one of the best schools in Ebonyi State. For those of you asking me about schools, we are going to come to that later. I'm still going to give a full vlog about schools in Ebonyi State. Okay. From Una Street, we drove through Udensi, then to Ogoja Road here, but I didn't cover it because we've already done Ogoja Road previously. It's going to be a repetition. So this is Afikpo Street. We are going to cover there because we went to buy fuel towards the beginning, then we passed the back and drove to the ending of the street. We got something again there. I'm going to still show you guys the ending of the street. This is the beginning of the Afikpo Road, not street. Okay, this is the ending. That's towards Perando. Okay, we came in through here, and then next we pass through the side, this road here. Like I told you guys, Ebonyi State doesn't really have much hold up because they are good connecting road. This is another connecting road. I can even connect from Express. Those coming from Express will be coming out from the other side of the road by my left hand now. Okay, so and this is Onwe Road. I'll connect to Onwe Road and go back to Udensi. This Onwe Road ended at Udensi roundabout. Exactly. This is Hope High British High School. This is also one of the best schools in Ebonyi State too. Okay, like I told you guys, Udensi roundabout is here. That's at the end of this inner street, and then we drive from Udensi through Udensi Street, so that you guys will also see how the street looks like and all that. Okay,
get me rowdy.
of this Udensi Street, we have Power House. That's a police headquarters that is by my right hand side. Okay, that's police quarters too there. Okay, this part is the quarters, the office is in front, and then this Udensi quarter is a government owned bungalow kind of quarters, old quarters like that. So guys, we are going to start a new series. That's after we've shown Uburu completely, because Uburu vlog will be coming in after this one. Okay, we'll start a new series of street interview. What kind of question will you like me to ask the people of Ebonyi State? Drop it in the comment section. If you just prefer funny question, entertainment question, drop it. Please drop the kind of questions, samples that you want me to do, and I'm going to do it by the special grace of God. So guys, this is still Udensi Street. Okay, so around this area you are going to see a signboard, Great Minds Academy. It is also a very good school in Ebonyi State here where your kids can go. All right, so let's keep moving. I just want to show you some parts here, and that is it guys for this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it, so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, God bless you guys. Love you. Bye bye. It's my son that is doing the for you today. Not me guys. This is Ibibio Street where I'm going to be. Is this Ibibio? No, Gilbert Street. This is where I'm going to end this vlog. Bye bye.